Hello, today we're going to talk about the theory of constraints as a tool for continuous improvement in management of production systems. We are the team number 3, and the team members are Mario Castilla Herrera, Ana Karen Flores Gutiérrez, Angélica Hernández Reyes, and me, Mónica Belino de la Rosa. Okay, we're gonna see the next topics, and I will say who will start, who will be the next one, and the next one who's gonna talk. So, first of all, Mario is gonna say about the ability imbalances. Also, he is gonna say the depends events and the statistical fluctuation. Well, then I'm gonna talk about the bottleneck and capacity constrained resources. Then is gonna talk Karen's. She's gonna say basic elements for construction in manufacturing. Also, she's gonna help to Angelica to say about the control methods according to the TDR. Next, Angelica is gonna say the importance of quality according to the TDR. So we're gonna start now with Mario.
Hello, my name is Mario Castillo, and this presentation will the theme balance and capacity. Okay, what is the theme? This theme is refers to the discrepancy in the imbalance capacity refers to the situation in which a production resource, uh, such as machinery, personnel, and space, and the industries and the work are not properly synchronized with the demand on the products on the service. Uh, one of the first characters explain affect, affect system performs the value chain might experience depressions and bottlenecks, and the function identify and resolve difference between the resource available in systems in the work. Term number two, depend. And what is the term? This term we defend to the result and the result on event it's conditional to be the result be another previous event in the industry and the work for diverse inventions or situations um, in in the works. Uh, the first characteristic the term event depend event, it's applied of various areas. It's not exclusive. The manufacturing, logistic, supply chain. This term depend of the event can be managed of the optimized production in the work. Term number two, statistical fluctuations. What is a term? What is the static fluctuations? Okay, static fluctuations refers to the events and series of events which must take the place before another event can begin. However, extensive quality controls and the products get to the market and the client in the industry. It's inevitable imbalance with no downs. It's balanced and efficient and competent. And the function aids programming tools, statistical process control.
Well, now in a comparison table, I'm gonna say what's the difference between bottleneck and the capacity constrained resources. We're gonna start about the definition. The definition of bottleneck, it refers to a specific point in a process where the total capacity is limited by a particular component or resources. Well, in other side, capacity constrained resources, it refers to the limited availability of critical resources necessary to carry out a process of any operation. The approach. Well, in bottleneck, it focuses on identify and resolving specific points that hinder the efficiency of the process. And the capacity constrained resources is focused on the limited availability of critical resources. This can affect any other process that they have in the company. The ambit. Well, in bottleneck, it may be the component in a machine, in a process, or even in an entire department. This is restricted by the capacity of the system. This can affect to all the company. Well, in other side, capacity constrained resources, the ambit, they may include raw materials, labor, equipment, in any other critical resource necessary to carry out the process. The impact to each one. Well, the bottleneck, this can affect also the quality of the process that they're doing or the product. And in the capacity constrained resources, they can limit production and affects also the efficiency and responsibilities to everyone.
Manufacturing process. They are the specific procedures and steps that are followed to transform raw materials into finished products. This process mainly include cutting, welding, assembly, molding, machining, painting, among others. Labor. Skilled labor is essential to operate machinery and carry out manufacturing process efficiently. This includes machine operators, technicians, production engineers, supervisors, and other related professionals. Planning and programming of the production. This involves production planning to ensure efficient allocation of records and proper scheduling of manufacturing process. This includes inventory management, capacity planning, production scheduling, and supply chain management. Health and safety at work. It is essential to ensure a safe work environment for employees. This is involved with compliance with a health and safety regulation and the standards, as well as the implementation of safe practice and procedures in the workplace. Basic elements for construction in manufacturing. Raw materials. They are the basic materials used to manufacture a product. This can include metals, plastics, textile, wood, ceramic, among others. The quality and availability of raw materials are essential to guarantee the quality of the final product. QA. It is essential to ensure that manufactured products meet the required quality standards. This involves carried out tests and control throughout the manufacturing process to detect and correct possible defects or problems. Facilities and equipment. This includes production facilities such as factories or workshops, as well as the equipment necessary to manufacture the products. This can range from heavy machinery to hand tools, depending on the type of the product being manufactured.
Let's continue with the topic. This importance on quality according to TDR. Imparting on quality on this size. For quality can result in the production of larger rice to compartments for defective products. Also, importance on quality on inventory. Rise up obsolete and loss of inventory while those though solve products. It's important quality is essential to maximize the products, reduce the cost, and enhance responsive to main demands. This involving implementing rising quality currency on deferring on quality win the organization. Let's continue with the topic on Monterey's month according to me TDR. Contributes according to TDR of and capacity of according to improve operational effective and maximize system performance. This months under Spaxit Aspiral time from identifying book names to efficient Rosen planning and management is crucial for optimizing working, minimizing downtime in assemblies or running operation effectively.
Now, as a final conclusion, we can say the theory of constraints is like a super tool that helps us continuously improve and better manage how we do the things in the company. With this, we can find and eliminate obstacles, use our resources more effectively, and be faster and more efficient than our competition. By applying these ideas, we not only have make companies work better, but we also become more capable as engineers to make smart decisions, increase profits, and keep up with the market's challenge. Finally, we're gonna say thank you about to watch our presentation.